Hi guys, welcome to this unboxing video for a Inateck USB 3.0 SATA HDD docking station. You can put in a 3.5 or 2.5 inch hard drive into this. Did buy this from Amazon.co.uk. Model is FDU3V-1. Inateck. So USB 3.0, 2.0, 2.5 inch, 3.5 inch SATA hard drive or an SSD. Input is 100 volts, 200 volts, 50-60 hertz, Windows and Mac. So you get a docking station, power supply and a USB 3.0 data cable. Okay, so let's open it up. So what do you get in the box? Got your cradle there, a little plastic thing there, and that's all you get in that box. Got your German, it's obviously a German company, loads of German and English. So they want you to join their fan club. Well, if your product doesn't work, I'm not joining it. So you also get this little black box here, and this is where all your accessories are in. USB cable, so it's a fat cable like that. So it's kind of a standard USB to a big chunky USB with the blue USB 3.0 colouring there, and a power supply. So there we go. That's all you get with it. So thanks for watching.